Welcome back to the garage apartment conversion. This short episode will be dedicated to the single task of fitting the bottom plate of the main plumbing wall. We have a dilemma. This pipe protrudes outside of where the wall must be. We first try to remedy the situation by reducing the pipe from 4 inches to 3 inches. So this adapter is supposed to fit over a 3-inch on this side, like that, and over a 4-inch on this side, like that. But we also found that the side that fits over the 3-inch also fits inside of the 4-inch perfectly, like a snug connection. So we just need to saw that off right there and use it as a bushing. Get in there. Why is it not going? Why is it not going? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. We somehow lost the footage of gluing the 3-inch pipe into the custom bushing. Using the 3-4-5 triangle technique, we were able to make a reference line perfectly perpendicular to the main wall. These crow's feet are where the inside edge of the wall needs to fall. We set the bottom plate to the side to use as a straight edge, just to show how far off we are. If I haven't already mentioned it, these walls have to be very precise so that the shower drain will work. Alright, so this pipe here sticks out this way 1/4 of an inch too far, so we're going to have to go get a couple of fittings to bring this back in line. Even after we reduce this, we still need a little more space, and this part right here is going to be hidden behind the toilet. So if the fittings need to protrude through the wall, they'll probably be hidden by trim, or they'll be hidden anyway by the toilet, so this should work out okay. Always double check the placement of your pipes while the concrete is still wet.
Like,
We pulled a string to make sure the pipes would all fall in line.
so we do need to come back a little.
Oh, got these stuck together good. almost froze up on me. Now for the holes in the bottom plate. We make them by plunge cutting first with a circular saw and then busting them out with a hammer. Still not on the line. That is 2 inches. Edge. 2 inches. Edge. I'm just going to take those both out at the same time.
Well, lucky.
Need to trim this one back just a hair. Just take a little off of that.
Okay.
Steady it.
Again, we use construction adhesive under the bottom plate.
Use this to line it up.
It's got to be lined up with that one and that one right there. Well, that's pretty much it for this episode. We'll try to wrap up the wall framing in the next episode. Or two. Maybe. As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.